Olympus DAO. And specifically, I want to clear up some of the things in terms of the gOHM, the actual ohm, the actual rebase, and also I brought to you something very interesting. But before we do go into the video, into the details, I would love from you to subscribe to the channel, hit the like, hit the bell, share the video, and make sure also to follow me on Twitter. You can go into my Twitter account, which is TCP Crypto. I would love the support from you guys, and I'm also throwing hints every single day here and there. Also, if you're not subscribed, again, subscribe to my channel. But without further ado, let's jump into the goodies on today's market. Bitcoin still hovering at 46. At this moment, to me, Bitcoin is a stagnant dinosaur at the 40, 55, 60-ish range. This is a really thick support base for Bitcoin. In my opinion, my humble opinion, we are being set for a major explosion in Bitcoin price. Bitcoin will definitely, if it took off from here, we're talking about 200K, 300K. Don't be surprised. Let's take a look. By the way, there is something that I want you to take a look. Keep your eye on this guy. You see it? Crypto.com coin. CRO. Keep your eye on this guy. It's been a major sleeper gainer. See that? You see that? I actually hold some of them just because I trade with crypto.com and use them in terms of doing the transactions and buying, because they have support a lot of coin. They were here when I hold them. So I hold them where they were at 0.03, and look at the price. It went all the way to 90 cents. 90 cents. Could you believe it? If you want to take a look at these guys, link in the description. You can use my referral code. It will give you a $25 instantly just to sign up on us, right? So let's go back and let's talk a little bit about OHM, shall we? Let's talk about OHM. Let's go to OHM. All right. Olympus DAO, the original, the actual innovators who brought the complete DeFi market to a next level, right? So today I want to talk to you about Olympus Zap. And what the Olympus Zap is, let's change the network here quickly to Ethereum. Alrighty. So what the Zap, Olympus Zap is, if you have an asset sitting on your MetaMask on Ethereum network, what you can do instead of going and buying, so right now recognize right away that I have some gOHM sitting on my MetaMask, and I also have some ETH sitting on MetaMask. And believe me, if you have more than these assets, it will recognize it right away. But here's the kicker. Instead of you going and buying these tokens and then switch them to Ethereum and then coming back to buy that sOHM in order to stake it in the Olympus DAO protocol, here's what this option really allows you. It allows you to do these transactions and minimize the amount of friction and do them all from here, one click. So if you have Ethereum sitting in your MetaMask, all what you can do, come here, max it out, as you can tell, and then it will show you exactly how much that will worth in terms of sOHM. All what you need to do is just to zap it. Zap and stake. And when you say zap and stake here, it's being disabled for the upcoming migration. Remember, it's a V1 to V2 Olympus DAO. So basically what it is, as long as you have assets in your Ethereum network MetaMask, it will read it right here, and you just like, pick one. Let's say you pick Ethereum, you max it here, and it will automatically convert it to sOHM, and it will stake it for you right away with one approval. You just say zap stake, that's it, right? But you need to approve it first. So I don't know if that will show at your end, because I'm already approving these transactions. Keep in mind, you only approve it once according to them, and correct me if I'm wrong, but I did it once on their protocol, and every single time from there on, it only reads the stake approval. Not you need to approve it first and then you need to stake it, if that makes sense. On your MetaMask, you need to go to Uniswap, buy some sOHM, and then transfer it to your MetaMask, and then come back to Olympus in order to stake it. God knows how many transactions you are going to go through, right? And this will bring that up hopefully as soon as they finish their migration in a couple of days. This will be activated once again. So this is just another way for you to save money on the gas fees. You are welcome. People actually asked me on my first video that I did, how to convert sOHM to gOHM. A lot of people ask me about, like, do I need to unstake? Do I need to stake? How the rebase is working? What's going on? I'm seeing a lot of, I'm keep seeing that rebase on the sOHM accumulating. These questions really are super valid, right? And let me break them down and answer. If you recall my latest video, I'm going to put it somewhere around here, but you recall the number was, my gOHM, 0.0915. Now, it's been a couple of days, the amount stays the same. Where is the rebase happening? The rebase is happening on the current index. The current index is increasing with every rebase. You're going to get your price of gOHM appreciation by multiplying the current index with the current ohm price. You will end up having the gOHM price. You got it? That's it. So simple. Now, do you need to use ohm protocol? No, you don't. I have another video. I'm also going to throw it somewhere. You know what? I'm going to put the links in the description. And I'm going to put it all over the place for you to see, right? You can bypass, I showed you. You can bypass Olympus protocol and also Ethereum. You don't need to pay that hefty gas fees. You can bypass them all and still buy gOHM, get the rebase, get everything, and stay happy. Really. You don't need to complicate things, right? They might seem complicated, but they're not really. All what you need to do is, as long as you get that token sitting on your MetaMask and you link your MetaMask to the protocol, the actual smart contract will read it. Right? And that's pretty much it. Are you going to see an increase in your sOHM amount? Yes. But it doesn't matter, because you don't have an sOHM anymore. You have a gOHM. If you do not have a gOHM, it will show 0 right here. Wrapped balance. See this? Wrapped balance. So this sOHM increase is just for you. The protocol is showing you, hey, this is your old rebase. Hadn't you not migrating to the gOHM? That's all, right? And that's pretty much it. And by the way, when you go to stake, you see this? It will tell you right here, right? If you want to wrap, unwrap. But let me show you something. Right now, Avalanche, and let's see if I can still read and interact with the protocol. And right now, and there you go. You see, I have used my method on Avalanche to buy gOHM, and gOHM right now is sitting on my MetaMask, and the protocol is interacting with it, and it reads it right away. So that's all for today's video. I hope that I have answered some of your questions and concerns, and I also showed you some ways that you can also save on your gas fees and interact smartly with these DAOs, protocols, and DeFi. I love DeFis. DeFis are my game. I love them. And if there is anything that you need to know about, if there is any project that you want me to review, please write your opinions in the comments below. If you love these videos, give this video a thumbs up, share, like, hit the bell for the notification so you'll be notified every single time I release a new video. Thank you so much for all the support. Please don't forget to follow me on the Twitter. My Twitter account's right here, TCP Crypto, and also subscribe to my channel. Let's make it at 10,000 subscribers, right? 10,000 subscribers. That's the first goal, right? And we'll take it from there to 100 and a million. And also tell me down below if you want me to show you how to create your own NFT. How about that? Thank you so much. Have a great night.